Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Scientist. Now very important topic are new discoveries in physics. There are various new discoveries in physics nowadays and research in different fields of physics like quantum computing, biophysics and bioengineering, diagnostic imaging like MRI etc., radiotherapy, materials for energy states of matter, particles and nuclear and particle therapy. Now we first talk about the quantum computing. The quantum nature of complex molecules and materials makes them very challenging to stimulate to learn about their properties. A classical computer must store and process huge amount of data. Quantum computers bypass this by manipulating quantum system directly, which in theory gives them an advantage over the classical counterparts. Researchers of the University of Science and Technology of China have claimed that their quantum devices have quantum advantages over a classical one. Next, talk about the biophysics and the bioengineering branch of physics. A simple set of mathematical rules that accurately identifies sign of computing electrical science in the world has been developed by Lionel Glass at McGill University and colleagues. The Canadian team did an vitro experiment that showed how abnormal beating triggered by anomalous electrical impulses can generate distinctive triplets. For example, like ECG of heart, the application of biophysics. Now, number third is diagnostic imaging. In this ultra high field MRI uncovers detailed structure of the brain cerebellum. Practical approach to MR guided online adaptive radiation therapy. Let's talk about number 4, radiotherapy. Radiotherapy has been used for several decades to treat cancer, and intensive research has made it powerful and precise treatment for patients today. Nowadays, flash radiotherapy consists in the delivery of very high dose rates in a fraction of a second, and his reproductively shown healthy tissues while still effectively destroying cancerous cells. Flash radiotherapy is basically used for the treatment of cancer. Now talk about material for energy. Researchers have discovered a method for creating new material for the use in batteries, magnets and microelectronics. Northwestern and the University of Chicago has created a new technique for identifying and synthesizing the crystalline materials that contain two or more elements. Scientists have discovered and made many unconventional superconductors with surprising magnetic and electrical properties. Such materials have a wide range of possible applications such as improved power generation, energy transmission and high speed transportation. Now number 6, particle and nuclear. Nuclear reactors help scientists catch and study ghost particles. A nuclear reactor at an Illinois energy plant is helping University of Chicago scientists learn how to catch and understand the tiny elusive particles known as neutrinos. The name called as neutrinos. Neutrinos are sometimes called the ghost particles because they pass invisible through almost all matters. But if you can catch them, they can tell you about what's happening, where they came from, and about the fundamental properties of the universe. Now, let's talk about the particle therapy. Stanford researchers built a particle accelerator that fits on a chip and miniaturizing a technology that can now find application in research and medicine. Stanford researchers hope to create one electron beam that moves at the percent of the speed of light. Electron beam that move to the speed of light, and to use the energized particles flow for research and medical application as well. At last, we talk about the laser physics. Scientists have developed a new type of laser that can deliver high amounts of energy in very short bursts of time, with potential application in eye and heart surgery or engineering. Cumulate to delicate materials. Professor Martin D. Sturck said, "This laser has the property that has its pulse duration decreases to less than a trillionth of a second. Its energy could go through the roof." That's why the physics in new discoveries change this world, change this physics nowadays. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon. Thank you very much.